We have to do this urgent update for NIO, everybody. You know why? Because we've got another seller just at their position for NIO exactly there, guys, around the $4.77. We have to discuss in today's video what does that mean and what we should expect for the price action for NIO at least at the end of this month. But the next month, we're going to discuss what we should do if the price drop once more down. There's more options for everybody. There's almost 3 options to play new stock trade. I'm not talking just about the fundamental, but I'm talking about the technical, because the technical will give us the confirmation either for market maker buying or the short seller adding their position. I don't trust any broker or any indicator to tell me that we are oversold or overbought, but just from the technical price action, I can see that short seller added around the $4.77. So now we have to discuss the truth about this reaction that nobody tell you. Everybody talk about the news, about NIO price, fundamental, about I don't know, NIO day before. Everybody have big estimate for NIO to go toward 600, and some people talk about the 1,000. But we went until the $60 and we never saw the light of day anymore. We went to the cave down. Look at that. So here, NIO day, everybody's expecting the price go up because the fundamental was pretty promising. Everybody think about 5 years ahead. And guess what? From 2021 and now 2024, if you just buy and just trust the news, guess what? You're down 94% in the span of 3 years or 4 years. So I don't care about the fundamental that much, guys. That's why on our channel here, we don't discuss the news that much. I discuss the news except for those stocks that pump 300% and those stocks that we could actually confirm if we have good news or not, like FDA approval or no new drugs or whatever. This is would be good. Just to confirm if the good if we have strong news in order to trade it. But I don't care about the news in the big picture because there's a lot of things could happen. For WISA, we already traded this one and we did our chart analysis update just after we finish our live streaming, as you can see here. And we have the entry, we said the breakout 370, profit taken. We went over the $6, guys. This one did crazy jump once we did our chart analysis on our Discord that we do daily. So join us, the link in comment section below if you want to catch those stocks before they run to the moon or to the space station. So you have to be ready in the rocket, because if the rocket go higher and try to catch the rocket, you're gonna be burned out, man. It's not wise idea. So you have to be prepared. You have to be prepared before the rocket launching. So now in today's video, we have to discuss NIO because NIO is hugging our support right now over the $3.77. Guys, hit the like button and the way in, because we always go live each day 30 minutes before the market open, or 2 hours and 2 hours exactly on our picture on Discord. So let's get right to it and discuss the NIO price action. As we discussed before, we said the $3.77 is the support. The price was before around the 4.11, now around the $3.80. The short seller added their position, I think, around the 9th, yeah, last week. On Friday, they added big position on the 477. Price dropped again. How much? Let me just calculate here. Let me just calculate how much. 20%. Last price that we said before, big seller, of course, added their position around the 7. You know why? Because we've got the earnings. We've got the earnings on the 5th of March. And that's why they add the huge position, because they have a confirmation after the bad earnings to add their position. As everybody knows, the shorts make profit by betting on the price to go down. So once we have the bad earnings, as you can see here, they add their position and shorted the stock down, or NIO, from the 7 until now. So they're making good profit, 40% down. Now we have to do something, which is seeing the price, if we have a confirmation for a buyer, we need to break the 477. So this is the first signal that NIO started to reverse. We need to break this level, the $4.77, and go toward the $7. On the other hand, if the short is still adding, why we enter is mean the price will drop some more. How we gonna confirm? Of course, would be a great question, guys. If we test the $4.77 and we don't break it, then we break the $3.77, is mean we gonna have a huge dip for NIO toward the $2.11, $2.50. This will happen in a few weeks or even months, not in one day, guys. The market was red, that's why it make it easier for the short to short NIO, even though the market like we already like went down almost 20% for NIO. Usually, if we don't have the news of the war and things like this, we could have held over the $4.77, but the price dropped because the market was red. It was easier for NIO to go down because whole market was down. In the time being, we need to hold the $3.77, break the $4.77. This is it, guys. This is the level that we should watch out for NIO if we either buy the dip or buy the rip over there, over the $4.77. This will be a turning point, everybody, for NIO for this year, for my opinion. Either going toward the 2 or now toward the $7. Let me know in the comment section below what you think, where the price will go. Are we gonna go toward the 4, toward the $2.11, or toward the 7? Because if we go toward the 7, this is the first signal for a squeeze up once we break it. But the first little signal is breaking the $4.77. Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and see you by tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open, because we gonna go live to hunt and trade the market each day. So join us and see you by tomorrow.